After buying a GeminiDB Redis instance, you may find additional resources are necessary to accommodate evolving business needs. Add nodes for your GeminiDB Redis instance to handle fast-growing data volumes. Adding nodes will trigger fast load balancing, which may cause a timeout of a few seconds. You are advised to enable automatic retries. To ensure the instance does not run out of storage, scale up the storage before adding nodes. Currently, nodes can only be added for proxy cluster and Redis cluster instances. This video shows how to add nodes for a GeminiDB Redis instance. Step 1. Select a target instance. Step 2. Add nodes. Step 3. Check the results. Log into the console and choose Databases is greater than GeminiDB from the service list. Method 1. On the Instances page, locate the target instance and choose More is greater than Add node in the Operation column. Method 2. On the Instances page, click the target instance to go to the Basic Information page. Choose Node Management in the navigation pane and click Add Node. On the Add Node page, specify the number of nodes to be added and view the instance storage. If you are running out of storage, click Next. Scale up the storage and then add nodes. If you have enough storage, click Next. On the displayed page, confirm the node configurations. To modify the configurations, click Previous. If you do not need to modify the configurations, click Submit. The nodes start to be added. After that, click back to Basic Information page. Wait until the instance status changes from Adding Node to Available. In the navigation pane, choose Node Management. Check the added nodes in the Node Information area.